So class, the next step that we are going, or the next kick that we are going to learn is on the back thrust. I know that you know how to do this already because you have been watching a lot of movies, but still I'm going to demonstrate it. Okay? So let's start from here when you are standing or when you are in on guard position. Okay? When you are standing, it is important that your knees are a bit bent because you are going to turn, kick, back thrust. You get me? Okay? So that is how we are going to do the back thrust. Now, if you are with your stances and you do the step by step, you turn around doing the cat stance here, your face or slightly turn towards that area because you are going to kick with your right foot and then make use of the heel to kick. Okay? So, 1 and turn. Okay? So, once again, let's do it. 1, 2, turn. Do you get it? Okay? So, try again with the other side. 1, 2, kick. After the kick, you turn. 1, 2, turn. So that's all about the back thrust. Once again, you don't have to make it very high. If you are not that flexible, what is important is the stability. Okay? Thank you.